Hi, today we're going to talk to you about how to remove tape residue from your refrigerator. You're going to need a couple of items. You're going to need warm water, you're going to need soap, and a microfiber dish towel. And these are the simple steps. Remove the tape, and as you can see, we have tape residue. You're going to take some soap and work it into the residue. After a while, go back and see if you can feel any of the tape residue still adhering to your refrigerator. Massage it around some more. You're going to take your microfiber cloth and get it damp with warm water. Wipe off the soap. Once the tape residue has been removed, take a dry towel and you'll see the tape residue is gone.